Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn programming on phone. Start by choosing one language and installing a reliable coding app, then set clear daily practice goals and a study schedule. Focus on small projects that match your interest, like a simple calculator or to-do list, and build gradually. Use short, focused sessions, review concepts weekly, and progressively increase challenge to keep momentum and confidence. Find a mix of resources that suit mobile learning and your attention span. Combine interactive exercises, short video lessons, and hands-on coding within apps that support editing and running code. Bookmark clear cheat sheets for quick reference and use spaced repetition for tricky concepts. Practice by copying examples, then modify them to see different results. Keep learning social by joining coding chats and sharing small wins to stay motivated. Quick recommendation before we continue. If you are coding on the go, keep snacks and meals mess-free with leak-proof containers that fit in backpacks and resist spills. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like the video for more tips, and grab those containers to make mobile study sessions neater and more focused. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Practice intentionally with small, achievable projects you can finish in a few sessions to build confidence. Alternate between building features and solving targeted challenges to sharpen problem solving and debugging. Review and refactor past projects to learn better patterns and keep a personal snippet library for reusable code. Schedule varied practice so you cover algorithms, app logic, and user interfaces, and celebrate milestones to maintain momentum and motivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.